When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.
Yun no, from Bukawi, Bulacan.
Let it be.
Kabarbers Elmo Vlog po. Kabarbers Elmo Vlog. Kabarbers Elmo Vlog.
Standing right in front of
Ayan, nakabili si Sir from Bukawi, Bulacan. 1-4. Ayan, panalo. May Mr. Box pa. Ingat sir, ingat po.
Let it be. Let it be. Whisper words.
Bukawi, Bulacan.
Let it be.
Sa may ano, bilihan ng mga paputok.
Broken hearted people. There will be an answer.
Ang galing ni Sir ng Seltok eh.